Effective risk assessments require collaboration among domain experts and those with access to necessary information. The risk management framework should address the communication plan for risk management in general. But let's call out some communication issues that are especially important for the risk assessment process. When we cover the stages of the risk management process in the next lesson, you will want to think about the people that need to be involved depending on the stage and purpose. For example, to brainstorm a list of potential legal risks might require only internal stakeholders representing the necessary departments. When it comes to making a decision about spending time and money on a solution for a risk, then identifying the right external stakeholder is important. The implication is that the quote-unquote external stakeholder can be outside the group doing the risk assessment, but still be inside the same company, or a party outside the organization entirely. The scope of the risk management process helps define what external means in your case. Beyond stakeholders, you should identify from where and from whom you will get information you need to correctly assess a risk. This might be as simple as naming the person charged with generating reports from your ERP system, so you can know how many transactions are similar to the ones you are analyzing. Domain experts in the business are also critical to forming an accurate view of a risk. A sales manager, for example, will have a more informed opinion about a sales practice in the field than someone in finance or legal. The last section of this training covers some of the techniques that you can use to facilitate legal risk information gathering and analysis. The team performing legal risk analysis should explicitly identify the method or techniques used for each stage. Some are more useful than others. The method should be tailored to the potential risk, the available resources, and the skills of those involved. An email soliciting a list of potential risks might be less than effective. The prompt is insufficient. The recipient's state of mind is not focused on risk management. The level of detail in the responses varies widely. There is no real-time interaction among participants. An email survey after a live brainstorming meeting can, however, effectively elicit deeper analysis upon reflection. There's a subtle art to obtaining the right kind of information for risk management input. The facilitator needs to gather a team with a variety of expertise and foster differing opinions. It is important to gather those opinions on each part of the risk assessment and have the team resolve them. The risk management plan, developed as part of the risk management framework, identifies specific decision points in the risk management process. The team should know which juncture requires a decision, who has the decision-making authority, and what information that person or level needs to make the best possible decision. A risk assessment process must drive toward that juncture.